Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully, everyone is fine there.
Today, we will discuss about enhancing learning clarity and concepts, comprehension, thoughts, visual aids, and multimedia in primary education.
In this video, we will discuss about the use of ads in classroom. In primary classroom. Primary classroom is a basic learning center for kids where a teacher develops an environment of learning for students. The role of teacher, what and how, what mean your decision about choosing the material that make your classroom more effective and more attractive toward learning environment. The next one is how. How mean what is your strategy? What is your methodology? And what is your ability that you provide to classroom? Choosing Av.Aids. It's not much easy for everyone, but when you think being like a teacher, then you realize what is the best for best learning environment. Teaching profession always need clarity and concepts. The mind between age of 2 to 7 or 2 to 10. Basically, it's an open environment for you being a teacher. What you will provide to the students and how you fulfill all your goals, objectives, aims, then you are a perfect in your field. Aviads are the basic tools for the education, for the classroom, because inside the classroom, when you spend 40 or 50 mind per day, it's mean what is your work and what is your goal or what is your basic aim where you are driven your students to choose the best and capacitable things that provide them a practical work and activity, the involvement and the suggestions, basic suggestions that you want to put, that you want to submit in their minds.
Teacher always think to make a valuable environment, but some hurdles are behind the walls that directly or indirectly affect the classroom. When you choose best for your classroom, then directly or indirectly you are supporting education system. If we discuss about the classroom education, then it is very important that use of AV and multimedia strategies to improve the learning process. According to my thinking, being a teacher, that students always learn when you are providing them facility to learn. Your facility is what about your lesson plan, what you have planned, and what you have implemented inside the class. How to use is the next topic of this series of videos. Please, if you like and if you are thinking it's a good to understand, stay tuned. We will meet again after a few days with next topic as the use of AV inside the classroom.